GameStop, a company that seemed headed for bankruptcy, had its shares up by more than 2,000%. 6 days ago, GameStop shares were $39 a pop. On January 27th, they were nearly 10 times that, at $372 a share. The astronomical jump has totally screwed over billion-dollar hedge funds like Citron Research and Melvin Capital. That's because a lot of these big traders were short sellers. That's when you're betting against a stock or a company in hopes that its share value will continue to plummet, so that you can make a profit when you buy back the stock at a lower share price. Unfortunately for them, that's not going to be the case. For that, you can thank a bunch of small or independent traders on a subreddit called WallStreetBets. There, on a discussion board, thousands have been hashing out their plans and coordinating together to drive up the share price of struggling companies. In addition to GameStop, they've also sent AMC and BlackBerry stocks through the roof, and Wall Street hedge funds keep scrambling to cut their losses. Citron Research and Melvin Capital both abandoned their short positions after GameStop's stock skyrocketed. And while there's no confirmation on exactly how much both hedge funds lost, Melvin Capital subsequently sought a $2.75 billion bailout. So we can imagine the fall was pretty steep. The Wall Street Bets traders were cheered on by Elon Musk and former Facebook executive Chamath Palihapitiya on Twitter, which further propelled GameStop's meteoric rise. Some small traders have claimed they're now able to pay off student loan debt, and others in another subreddit called WSB Gives Back are donating their earnings to charities and organizations. It seems as if these small traders have no intention of stopping. And as Tristan Slay Booty put it really seems as if there's nothing stopping them. But can they do this? Is this legal? As of right now, a lot is unclear. The SEC has yet to really address the situation. William Galvin, the Massachusetts Secretary of the Commonwealth, has called for a 30-day stop on GameStop share trading. He told CNBC that this kind of coordinated trading, quote, undermines the system, end quote, and claims these traders and, quote, unsophisticated investors are going to be hurt, end quote, by the severe fluctuations. TD Ameritrade and Charles Schwab have also put limits on GameStop share activity. For what it's worth, the White House is also keeping an eye on the situation.
Is the White House concerned about the stock market activity we're seeing around GameStop?
Our economic team, including Secretary Yellen and others, are monitoring the situation. It's a good reminder, though, that the stock market isn't the only measure of the health of our economy. It doesn't reflect how working and middle-class families are doing.